typically the students, they have an application portal. And sometimes you want to make sure that they have whatever they need to have on their end. And to verify that, you can click on Impersonate status page. And this is what, in this case, Karen Online sees. These are the various activities that they have, the options that they can select to upload additional stuff, and the payments as well. Now, this list will change as they progress through the application process as well, but you could help them identify what they see on their end and troubleshoot it along the way. So that's the purpose of these two tools. In the next video, I'm going to demonstrate then how to actually review the application and assess the application